Reloading, the lost art to today's active shooters, and a more economical and cost-effective way to go to the range. Every week I've seen the cost of ammunition rise, and for a box of ammunition it could be almost $20, depending on the caliber that you want to shoot. Today I want to talk to you about the reloading process, some of the basic components, and give you a little more information about why it is more cost effective to reload your own ammunition than to buy it at the store. First, we're going to talk about some of the basic components, to include bullets, brass, powder, primers, the reloading press itself, and the dies that go inside the reloading press. Now, to talk more about the main components, we have the bullets. Bullets are measured by their weight in grains, usually measured in the amount of gunpowder it would take to equal the total weight of the bullet. Brass is exactly what it is. It's a metallic case, usually made out of brass, because when the casing gets hot and expands, it can expand and not crack. Powder. Powder is the wonderful little thing that makes bullets work. When powder is ignited, causes the bullet to, or causes the pressure inside the case to build up and expand and forces the bullet out and pushes it down the barrel. Primers. Primers are the neat little machine that makes the bullet work. It provides the initial spark to ignite the powder that goes inside the brass case. Now your reloading press, that's where all the true magic happens. In your reloading press, that's where you get to combine all of your components together to make a finished product that you can go out and take to the range and shoot. And the dies. The dies are the most important part of the process because they allow the ammunition to be manufactured to the original specifications of the factory. The next thing that we're going to talk about is the process through which you would actually reload some used ammunition. The first step that you would have is you would put your used shell casing in the reloading press and you would deprime it. And that is the process of removing the old spent primer and preparing it to be sized, which is our next step. And sizing is the process through which the case neck, or the opening inside the brass case, is re-rounded and set up to the original specs. The next process is you're going to install a new primer, and after you install a new primer, you get to pour in powder. After you have poured in the powder, you would expand the case neck, and then you would place in a new bullet. Once you place in the new bullet, you would seat the bullet, which is the process of compressing the bullet down into the brass case and seating it to its appropriate depth. And then you would apply a crimp, which tightens the brass case onto the bullet. I hope this was valid information for you guys and inspires you to go out there and research more about reloading. I do it all the time and I save a considerable amount of money. So to recap what we talked about some of the basic components and the basic process for reloading ammunition. Hope you guys enjoyed it and give me great feedback. Thank you.